Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session, we were discussing about Democratic Constitution, Republic of South Africa, and we discussed why do we need a constitution. After knowing or after understanding about these two different concepts, we came to know clearly that constitution is fundamental law of nation. It is set of rules and regulations which guides, which helps for uh, administrative means and measures which are implemented for different levels of government at sovereign nations like India and others too. Now, in today's session, let us discuss about the concept making of Indian Constitution. So, the process of designing, having a constitution to India, it started during the times of freedom struggle or national movement, where people raised their voice for attaining their independence or freedom. So, the demand of constitution, it was for the first time drafted in the year 1928, then in the year 1931. So, Motilal Nehru and other leaders belonging to ANC, INC, Indian National Congress. So they highlighted or they stressed for important rights to the people, namely universal adult franchise, that is right to vote for people irrespective of gender, race, religion, caste, creed, color, educational qualification, economic status, and other factors. Then social justice, assuring people to be treated on the ground equally without treating the consideration of, or without taking the consideration of caste and caste factor. Then right to freedom and liberty. So equal access to be provided for all the people uh, in uh, in any of the areas or the sectors where they are having interest and knowledge and others. So these demands placed by Motilal Nehru and other uh, Congress leaders, they just became demands, and they not assured equally to all the people. So, for making this, participation in provincial legislature helped Indians in framing their constitution. So, before 1947, so general elections or provincial elections are going to take place in the year 1946. So there, most of the Congress leaders, they contest in the elections, and majority number of Indians are going to be elected as members of parliament or members from particular uh, provinces, or they became MPs or MLS. Then all the leaders, most of the leaders belonging to Indian National Congress, so they got inspired from one of the most important event which was taken place in the history of world as well as in the history of Europe, that is French Revolution. So there they erected or they dreamed about rights, equality, freedom, justice, and along with that, they even got inspired from the parliamentary system of government which was adopted or followed in uh, Britain or in UK, United Kingdom. Then Bills of Rights, the particular bill which explains clearly about some of the provisions for all the people in US. So these three different events or incidents, they inspired most of the Indians to think about their freedom and independence to their nation, and most importantly having a independent constitution to their nation. So they also learnt, they means the leaders belonging to Indian National Congress and other leaders, one who took active participation in freedom movement or freedom struggle. So they learnt what the British were denying Indian citizens. So British, they denied to assure, grant universal adult franchise, social justice, right to freedom and liberty. So these are the essential ideals, rights which are required for each and everyone. So the demands placed in the year 1928 and 1931 by Congress leaders, they are completely denied by British. Then Indian National Congress and other leaders, they, after electing as representative from different provinces, so all the members together, they forms or they makes two different committees for designing or for framing a constitution to India. So about these two different committees, let us discuss in tomorrow's session. So let me stop today's session. Take care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.